Chile is leading Latin America with its vaccine rollout. On Monday, teachers were included along with high-risk groups as the country hopes to ensure a safe return to classes in the coming weeks. Chile has been widely praised for the speed with which it has begun its vaccine campaign, which has included President Sebastián Piñera and residents of the remote Easter Island. According to Our World in Data, only Israel and the United Arab Emirates are vaccinating more people per 100,000. But while Israel is already seeing a drop in the number of infections, specialists in Chile are wary about how fast they will see similar results.
Considering the effectiveness of the vaccine we are using the most, which is CoronaVac made by Sinovac, we are not sure if we will see less circulation of the virus. We are being very cautious and trying to reduce the expectation of us reaching herd immunity in 2021.
Chile is mostly using CoronaVac in this first phase, but it has agreements with Pfizer, AstraZeneca, Johnson & Johnson and COVAX, and it is also working on deals for CanSino and Sputnik V. Because of the country's success in securing vaccines, residents in neighbouring countries are reportedly eyeing the possibility of travelling to Chile. The government swiftly announced tourists and illegal immigrants would not be eligible. This at a time when the north of the country is facing a humanitarian crisis, with migrants risking crossing the desert to enter the country.
There is a very intense campaign to disseminate the measures being taken by the Chilean government. The main measure for those who enter irregularly will be expulsion.
Last week, Chile deported more than 130 immigrants. The foreign minister has said that if migrants apply for a temporary or permanent visa, they will be able to receive the vaccine. But rights groups have criticised the measure.
What has been created by this is anxiety and fear amongst immigrants to go to vaccination centres. This is fear, based on what we are seeing with deportations, to go and get the vaccine because they are afraid they too will be deported.
The northern border of Chile faces an ongoing humanitarian crisis. But across Chile, the vaccine campaign continues. The government aims to have 4 million people, nearly a quarter of the population, vaccinated by the end of February. Joel Richards, CGTN.